Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Yunus Emre Alcıoğlu, and today we will be looking at the overall summary what we have done in 2024. Actually, I was not active during the whole year. I've been recording the videos since September. So far this is like a 5 months of work, more or less, we can say. In the beginning we began to do a surface model of this vertical mouse. It is going from scratch to the end of the product by also adding the patterns of it. It's been a good journey as well. I was trying to adopt my setup. I was constantly changing the setup of the videos. If you are one of those watching these series, you will probably recognize the transition between the layout. It's been a good practice, actually, to be honest, and it is really good for those who have a certain level of knowledge in Alias, but to improve skill set. This is pretty much the results, the first image of the result. As you can see there, we applied the patterns of the vertical mouse too. We have given the parting lines and tried to come up with a finished look. Actually, it's been a good practice. If you are one of those who haven't watched it yet, please check that out. It's a good journey. And another one is to develop an SUV from zero to the end. And the crucial part of this tutorial is actually we have no any blueprints, we have no any technical inputs, we have only design sketches. So this is one of the most critical aspects of this exercise, having the design sketches only and then developing the surfaces according to that. It's been actually 8 parts of this series, which is a advanced level guide. Actually, I am just talking about the things that I do, not pretty much showing the details of the tools, considering most of the guys have most of the people watching the series have a certain level of knowledge. As you can see, we are kind of snipping between some before and after images at a certain level of the data, and it's been a good practice as well. There are 8 different episodes, me explaining the things that I do. This is the overall results by far. I've been planning to make two more videos of this car, which is going to be, I guess, very beneficial for those who are trying to expand their skill set in a more advanced way, because this is something I was really get into that, and really it was challenging me as well. But it was a nice one. It is much more holistic way to approach how to react to the design sketches. So it kind of gives you an idea how the in a professional life how the things work. So yeah, it was a nice example of executing the general design study when you are having the design sketches, but the only sketches in your hand. While doing these, we of course didn't forget the beginner people who are trying to get on board with the Alias. So I have modeled this chair, which is really basic one. I am completely explaining the journey from the beginning. It is 2 parts. If you are a beginner, you can go check that out to develop your skill set in Alias, trying to understand the overall usage of it. This is a quite practical object, the chair, and yeah, I am giving the most of the tools that you need to model this one. And I believe after modeling this, you kind of be in the certain level to jump on the mid level of modeling, which I showed you in the beginning of this video. Yeah, this was an additional video to my beginner guides, and the next one is, of course, Jaguar Type 0 we have modeled, and I am explaining the journey, how we can end up with the result as we see on the screen. This is pretty much the summary of the video. I'm still uploading it. I'm still making the edits as a side study. We have a time-lapse video at this on this channel right now, and the first 2 parts of it, and there's going to be 3 more parts. We will be finishing that up at episode 5. So this has been a really discussion issue on the market, Jaguar Type 0, and you can model this one as well by keeping up with me during the tutorials. This is the technique is used for this video is subdivision modeling rather than NURBS modeling. So we have subdivision modeling tutorial as well, but I'm not explaining in every aspects that I use. It's just the kind of more like advanced stuff. If you have any certain level of subdivision or modeling, you'll be good to go. And the other thing is, of course, we have modeled so many things, but besides that, I have uploaded so many shorts too. Yeah, almost half of my videos are shorts. Actually, there are really useful topics. You can just go look for them and get some maybe information how to use some certain tools, certain aspects of the alias. And these were pretty much that I've done since September in 2024, and I have some big plans in 2025. I hope to see you in those videos as well. Thanks for supporting me through this journey. I really appreciated it. And yeah, see you in the next videos. Thank you guys. This is the overall summary of what we have done together. Bye bye.